Hey there, my Patreon friends. I hope all of you are having a sweet day. It is Wednesday. We've got like a full moon Wednesday, and that is always a lot of, energy running around. Now, my full moon eve was spent trying to clean up the Tower Bauer studio. I'll show you what I got done. I'm just going to kind of ease you around here. It was just cluttered, y'all. It was cluttered. I can't do clutter. It makes me insane. And there had been like no time at all to try and get some things cleaned up. It had just been really, really, really hectic. This is my closet. I'm going to back up a little here so you can kind of see the closet up here. This is a scarf that my friend Jackie wore to my 60th birthday party. When Chris reimagined this room and did all the decorating in it in December of 2019, he saw this scarf and, he knew Jackie wore it and he knew I had it. So he used it as as a curtain on my closet over there. This is Mia's water bowl, my yoga stuff. I was really very happy to get this window working correctly and get my screen in here so everything looks really sweet and nice. Forever indebted to Chris for just the incredible space, the light, look at that little puppy. Isn't she sweet? The effort, that he put into this room is just amazing. And I can walk in here and I feel a sense of peace. And, even if I don't do anything, I have this very peaceful vibe when I come in here. These are all my drawers. These are built-ins. Now for each drawer, Chris did he took the porcelain knobs that were on the drawers and he decorated them with paint pen. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 drawers, 2 knobs. So 24 totally unique, original Chris doodles on these knobs. This house was built in 1949. This was like where this is where the kids' quarters. If you were a kid in 1949, you didn't have any heat up here. It's very funny. You see the light that Chris created as well. Now he made that from a colander. He painted it and put the Edison lights up there. So I just wanted to, while I had everything clean, wanted to kind of take you on a little studio tour. I hope this is where I sit and work. This is where I do our recording. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Remember that where you work is your space. It's a holy space. It's always a sweet space. Always appreciate it. Whether it's a room, a corner, a piece of a desk, a lap desk, your bedroom table, your bedside table, wherever you work. It's a holy space. Treat it as such. Love y'all lots. See you soon. Bye.